Okay, here's Pillar in a minute or less. These are Pillar pods. Stick them to the wall using a drywall screw, wrap them around a stud, wrap them around a pipe, stick them to something metal using magnets. One of the best use cases is protecting active spaces during renovations. Of course, there's dust, noise, carbon monoxide, there's temperature, humidity issues, dew point issues. It basically keeps the messiness of construction where it belongs. That's when pressure differential comes in, and it measures that too. Get alerts to your phone, text alerts to the people who need them most, the people on the ground, or the people back in the office to tell the people on the ground. Optimize your workflow centrally from a distance, and then document and deliver with the quality and confidence knowing that you get an accountability report of everything every 2 minutes on every one of your sites from a distance. So call us 877-480-3551 or send us an email. The one and only all-in-one wireless monitor from Pillar.